Everyone talks about the DJI Mic 3 audio quality, but to be honest, that wasn't what impressed me the most. After using it on YouTube videos and commercial shoots, I realized the biggest reason I think this is one of the best wireless microphones available today has nothing to do with the audio quality and everything to do with the removal of friction for my workflow. So in this video, I wanted to share 4 things that makes the DJI Mic 3 one of my favorite wireless microphone systems I've ever used. It's more than just audio. Before we even get into the workflow side of things, let's quickly talk about the audio itself, because DJI didn't cut any corners when it came to it. The Mic 3 records in 32-bit float, which gives you a ton of flexibility if your audio peaks or comes in a little too quiet. You also have adaptive gain control that helps keep your levels consistent, along with built-in noise cancellation when you're filming in louder environments. Another feature I really like is the voice tone presets. You can choose between the regular, which is this, for a clean, neutral sound, rich if you want a little more low end, which is this one, and finally bright, which is this one if you're looking for more presence, especially if you have a deeper voice. And if you're recording directly into the receiver, you're also getting lossless audio transmission while you're within range, giving you a higher quality audio without having to rely solely on your camera's internal recording. Now, all these features are great, but they're not the reason I keep reaching for this microphone. Now, what really sold me is how seamlessly it fits into the DJI ecosystem. If you're already using something like the Pocket series or an action camera, pairing the Mic 3 couldn't be easier. There's no extra adapters, no unnecessary cables, and no extra setups slowing you down. Even the controls are designed around speed. If you hold the button, you'll feel a vibration letting you know you're recording. Hold it again to stop. Double click to toggle noise cancellation. Pairing another transmitter takes a button press. It's all designed to remove little moments of friction so you can stay focused on capturing the shot instead of messing with your gear. And speaking of removing friction, that's what led me into one of my favorite ways to use this microphone. Because these transmitters are so small and lightweight, I find myself using this one as an on-camera shotgun mic most of the time, especially when I'm running a gimbal. You see, a traditional shotgun mic adds weight to the front of your setup and can throw off the balance when it comes to the gimbal. The Mic 3, however, is so compact that it's barely noticeable. And if you're shooting on Sony with the multiple interface shoe, the whole setup becomes completely wireless. It's one of those uses that isn't talked about much, but once you try it, it just makes sense. The third reason is something I didn't fully appreciate until I started getting creative with it. Because these transmitters are so small, they make capturing natural sound effects and ASMR style audio incredibly easy. You can place one under a skateboard to capture the wheels rolling across the pavement, under a car for engine sounds, clip it onto gym equipment to capture the plates clanking during a workout, place it next to some drinking beverages when you're pouring it, or set it outside in nature to record the birds, wind, or water flowing through a stream. These little details are what makes your videos feel more immersive. And because the transmitter is so compact, you can get the microphone closer to the sound source without it getting in the way of your shot. For me, it's more than just about recording dialogue. It's also about using it as a creative tool to build better sound design. And finally, the last reason might not be exciting, but if you've owned multiple wireless microphones, you'll understand this immediately. One of my biggest complaints with the other systems I've reviewed, whether it was the Hollyland, the Booyah, or the Boomax, was keeping track of all the accessories. The receiver was in one pouch, the cables were somewhere else, the magnets disappeared, adapters ended up in another compartment. There was always something missing. But with the DJI Mic 3, everything has a home. The transmitter, receiver, magnets, clips, it all lives inside one charging case. It's such a simple design choice, but it's another example of DJI thinking about the actual experience of using the product, not just the specs. Again, less friction. Now, one thing I did notice for the downside is that it doesn't include a 3.5 millimeter lav input or a USB-C plug-in to transfer files. For some creators, that's going to be a big deal, but for me, the type of work I do, it hasn't been a huge deal breaker whatsoever. Whether I'm filming weddings, YouTube videos, or commercial content, I've actually found these transmitters to be faster than wiring someone up with a traditional lav microphone. They're so small that I can simply clip on to the subject and start recording. There's less setup, fewer cables to hide, and fewer things that can go wrong. And once again, that's less friction between you and getting the shot. So yes, the DJI Mic 3 sounds fantastic, but that's honestly not why it's the best wireless microphone available today from my perspective. For me, it's everything surrounding the audio. The seamless DJI ecosystem, the ability to double as an on-camera shotgun mic, the creative freedom that comes with its compact size, and the all-in-one charging case that keeps everything organized. Every one of these things removes friction from the filming process, and over the course of a shoot, those small improvements make a huge difference. If you've already invested in the DJI ecosystem, or you're looking for a wireless microphone that lets you spend less time thinking about your gear and more time actually creating, I do believe that the DJI Mic 3 is absolutely worth checking on. And if you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what's your favorite features of the DJI Mic 3. And I'll see you all in the next video. Peace.